Brad is a SaaS platform for public relations and communications professionals, and they are AI powered, comprehensive, and an integrated platform that streamlines the PR workflow to help businesses generate positive media coverage, monitor mentions to manage brand reputation, and analyze PR's impact on business outcomes. And Muckrack is hiring for an administrative assistant, go to market. In this position, they're looking for someone with 2 to 4 years of administrative experience supporting a revenue executive with experience working in a GTM organization and interfacing with customers, preferably within a B2B tech SaaS experience. And this is information on what to expect in terms of the interview process. The salary is $75,000 to $80,000, depending on skills and experience. And total compensation for this role consists of base salary and a quarterly bonus plan. The benefits: remote work forever, so you don't have to worry about the switch up with them. You will always be 100% remote. Transparent compensation, comprehensive health, dental, vision, disability, and life insurance for employees and their families, with access to 24/7 virtual care, an employee assistance program, employer funded HSA contributions, and other pre tax benefits. And team members have access to a quarterly wellness stipend and a free Headspace subscription. You also have PTO and family benefits, personal and professional development, which is always great to see, a culture of inclusion, which is also always great to see, and customer first attitude. Founder controlled means we have the freedom to be nimble, highly collaborative, and innovative, building forward thinking products that enable 3,000 companies around the world to build trust, tell their stories, and demonstrate the unique value of earned media. So that's everything. I think this is an amazing opportunity. And if you're looking for support in your work from home journey in terms of finding the right opportunity for you, we'd love to help you. Take a look at our link in the bio.